Let's look at two small cap companies with strong growth potential, Greenpanel Industries and Frontier Springs. First up, Greenpanel Industries. They make wood panels and MDF boards. Their delivery volumes jumped to 73% on May 26, 2025, up from 59% from the day before. But why? Because they just launched their new thin MDF line at Tirupati plant. And this is important because foreign companies used to control 60% of India's thin MDF market. But now, imports have dropped to just 1100 cubic meters monthly. And Greenpanel is ready to fulfill this gap and save on the transportation cost being based in the South India. Financially, Q4 revenue was 375 crore rupees, up by 4% from the last quarter. Full year revenue was 1400 crore rupees approximately, down by 8.4% year on year. But margins improved with EBITDA margins shot up to 15.9% from just 5% in Q3. And net profit margins reached 8.7%. This happened because of the better factory use, lower raw material cost and smart control. Going forward, they are targeting 8 to 10% of MDF growth in FY26 with 30% more capacity and plan to sell 5.5 lakh cubic meters including 72,000 from thin MDF. Now let's come to the second company, Frontier Springs. They are engaged in the making of springs and parts for trains. Their Q4 numbers were amazing with revenue hitting 70 crore rupees, up by 58.75% year on year. EBITDA doubled to 17 crore rupees and profit jumped 130% to 12 crore rupees. Full year revenue grew 70.8% to 231 crore rupees due to more capacity and new 6-ton hammers. The company posted 23.9% EBITDA margin and 16.6% net profit in Q4. These numbers shows that the company is managing its cost well and benefiting from the higher sales. Also, they are investing in another 15 crore rupees in FY26 and targeting 375 crore rupees revenue by FY26 and 500 crore rupees by FY27. And the big opportunity is that the government is spending $120 billion on railway infrastructure for over 5 years. And Frontier Spring is perfectly placed to benefit. So here is the question, Greenpanel is baking into the thin MDF market or Frontier Springs riding the railway boom? Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below and follow for more insights.